Hi everyone, this is Learning with Linda, and today I bring you an update and some important news as well regarding Social Security. Now, did you guys hear in the news that they were announcing that there's been a data breach regarding Social Security? I did pull up some information as to what you can do and also how you can protect yourself in these situations. I also have information regarding new rebates that are available for homeowners, renters, and seniors, specifically in the state of New Jersey. Then we also have an update regarding the 2024 summer EBT benefits for those in the state of Pennsylvania and Illinois. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. So let's start off today's video with the Social Security data breach that they're talking about in the news already. Now, initially, they had claimed that only like 1 point something billion people had been affected, but now according to this lawsuit, they're claiming that 2.9 billion people may have been affected with Social Security numbers and other financial data being compromised. So let me give you guys some additional information as to what you can do to protect yourself. So the company that was breached is called the National Public Data, and they're actually a Florida-based company, and they were the target of this breach. Now, the company initially reported that 1.3 million people were affected, but according to the lawsuit, once again, it was 2.9 billion people. The lawsuit claims that the records of up to 2.9 billion people, which included Social Security numbers of both the living and deceased individuals, were stolen. Says your National Public Data, which collects information for background checks on consumers and job applicants, confirmed the incident on its website, and they're referring to it as a data security incident. Now, what the experts are saying is that, you need to start freezing your credit, and that's been given as a #1 piece of advice in order to protect yourself in these situations. It says here the best tip to protect your personal records is to put a security freeze on your credit reports, which will limit access to your records. And this is, again, something that's being said by the experts. It's also the best first step if you think your data has been compromised. Now, the process can be done quickly for free by submitting separate requests to each of the 3 credit bureaus, which includes Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Now, while freezing your credit will limit access to your credit reports, it won't block it completely. Your records will still be available to certain companies and then under certain circumstances. Now, the freeze doesn't just block bad actors. If you want to apply for a new credit card or even an auto loan, you may get rejected if you do not unfreeze your credit first. Now, what I think one can start doing now, and not just in these situations specifically, but, through the course of our lives, continuing to monitor our financial accounts, right? Whether it's your bank account or even like your credit cards. So you want to regularly review your financial accounts for any suspicious activity. You also want to set up alerts for transactions on your bank accounts and credit cards. Also, regularly check your bank statements and credit reports for unauthorized transactions. I know one habit that I personally like to do is anytime I purchase something, at nighttime, I go ahead and check all of the transactions that I made throughout the day through my bank. And that way, I kind of remember as soon as things continue to happen or as soon as payments pretty much start being posted. Now, you want to act quickly if you notice unauthorized activity on your bank accounts or credit cards even. Now, if you detect any unauthorized transactions, you want to contact your financial institution immediately. Now, as I mentioned previously, I know there's a whole lawsuit going on. So, of course, one common question is, can you be entitled to money damages if you're affected by the breach? Now, it says here, while legal organizations may tout the idea that money damages may be available to people affected by the breach, any sums that are eventually paid likely won't be meaningful. So they're saying after the 2017 Equifax breach affecting more than 147 million consumers, for example, people were reporting that or those that received the lawsuit payouts in late 2022, they received less than $3 in some cases, while others said they got around $40. So in the state of New Jersey, it seems like their Division of Taxation is getting ready to mail out letters to those that continue to be eligible for the renter and senior rebates. And here we're talking about anywhere between $400 to $700. New Jersey's Division of Taxation will kick off the upcoming season on the Anchor Property Tax Relief Program on Monday. And they're going to be mailing letters to approximately 1.5 million residents to confirm their automatic eligibility. Now, since its inception in 2022, the Anchor program has provided significant property tax relief for nearly 2 million residents, and this according to the state treasurer, Elizabeth Mayer Moyo. Now, this program is inclusive of New Jerseyan residents at all stages of life, from young renters to even retirees. Now, there are a couple of changes that were made to the Anchor tax rebates. So for this year, the Division of Taxation has implemented several changes aimed at simplifying the application process for new applicants. Most homeowners and renters who received their benefits last year will have their applications filed automatically, and this is going to be they're going to be notifying you with notification letters that are expected to go out beginning August 19th. Now, for those who need to update personal information, such as their mailing address or even things like their banking details, a new application is going to be required by September 15th. Now, the state will begin distributing payments on a rolling basis in the month of November. So during last season's program covering the 2020 tax year, they distributed more than $2.1 billion in benefits to over 1.8 million homeowners and renters, with payments ranging from anywhere between $450 to $1,500. Seniors in this case received an additional $250. Now, in a bid to streamline the process further, the division has launched a new online application system. So that's pretty nice. And it's going to be eliminating the need for paper applications for those required to submit supporting documents. But of course, they're going to continue having these paper applications available for those who prefer them. So here we are on the website for Division of Taxation for the state of New Jersey. Remember how we're talking about the Anchor benefits? Well, here's some information in terms of how they are calculated and then also paid. So now let's say you are a renter. They are considering your information from 2021. So if in 2021 you were 64 or younger, you were a renter, then you can receive a benefit amount of up to $450. If you were 65 or older in 2021, then you can potentially receive $700. And here's the information too for homeowners. You can see they're going to take into account your income in 2021. If you made $150,000 or less and you were age 64 or younger in 2021, then you can receive $1,500. And then let's say, in 2021 you were age 65 or older and you made less than $150,000, then you can receive up to $1,750. And today we bring some very good news for those in the state of Pennsylvania regarding the summer EBT benefits. If you're in the state of Pennsylvania, definitely check your cards. So as your benefit issuance has begun for children who are automatically eligible for Sunbucks benefits. Now, if your child is automatically eligible, you can expect to receive the Sunbucks benefit before the end of August. Now, children whose families already receive SNAP or TANF, they will be receiving Sunbucks on their household's regular EBT card, if it's possible, of course. Now, if the benefit cannot be loaded onto a household's existing SNAP or TANF EBT card, then it seems like they're going to be sending you a loaded Sunbucks card. So the card is going to have the benefits in there already, and it's going to be labeled Summer EBT, and it's going to be sent to the household address for the child's Medicaid benefits or the address listed in the school's Sunbucks file. Here's another important update for those of you in the state of Illinois regarding summer EBT. So guys, deposit dates have been confirmed. And again, they're going to be sending these benefits based on the first letter of your child's last name. So for households who receive food and or cash benefits from IDHS during the 2023 through 2024 school year, summer EBT benefits will be directly loaded onto the food portion of their existing link account. Now, if the family's link card is no longer active, or if the family has never received food or cash benefits, then they're going to be sending you a new card, and it's going to be mailed to the current address on file with IDHS. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.